Play barang apa yang sampai pi saya channel exam dates dia akan video ngan self ecological listening kepalawan hagadi DSC LDA TYPIST East KHASI district. Dia akan prolog mentangin solve no yakan ka logical listening kepalawan hagadi DSC LDA TYPIST untuk East KHASI district. Question kan ka di series D 131 solve the following assertion. The earthworms reduce the fertility of the soil. The reason, they make the soil soft and porous. The correct answer here is B, option B. A is false, but R is true. 132. Karshan says Meban's mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is Karshan related to Meban? So, none of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. Looking at a portrait of a man, Henry said his mother is the wife of my father's son, and I have no brother and sister. At whose portrait was Henry looking at? Correct answer could be his son. 134. The day before yesterday was Saturday. What will be the day after tomorrow? Correct answer could be C, Wednesday. 135. Statement. It is suggested to put the child in school at the age of 4. Assumptions. Number 1. Schools do not admit children after the age of 4. 2. At this age, the child is ready to learn new things. Correct answer could be B. Assumption 2 is correct. 136. Statement. If it is easy to become a doctor, I don't want to become a doctor. Assumptions. A candidate wants to be professional. Number 2. One wants to achieve things which is hard earned. Correct answer could be B. 137. Drama, stage, tennis is related to which? Correct answer could be B. As drama is related to stage, then tennis also is being played in the court. 138. Pointing into an image, Mira tells Pandu, I am the only daughter of this lady and her son is your maternal uncle. How is Mira related to Pandu's father? Wife. Correct answer could be B, wife. 139. A is the mother of B. B is the sister of C. C is the father of D. So how is A related to D? Correct answer could be A, grandmother. What will be the missing letters in the series? Correct answer could be B, HQQ. Number 141. What will be the missing letters in the series EQFSHW KA-TL? The correct answer could be B, OF. 142. If the word lion is coded as LMGJ, how is milk written in that code? Correct answer is D, IJGK. 143. Which of the following is different from the others? Correct answer is A, barber. 144. Pick the odd one out. Correct answer could be B, slow sluggish. 145. A thermometer is to temperature as a compass is to C, direction. Te paralog ngangat pia sung tenat iki video ki bang permi akan ka channel jonga ngada pia cimentoy nak ni video sung like share ba subscribe kena ba ki paralog ru ki cimentoy nak video ka bang abu akan ka channel kulesibun.